Hello, writers. Today you will be practicing your writing stamina. Before you begin, you need to grab your research reading book. This is a nonfiction, informational text that you have been reading to learn about a topic. If you do not have that book, pause the video now and go grab your research reading book. Today you are going to write for 5 minutes, uninterrupted, with no distractions. Don't think too much about grammar, spelling, or punctuation. Just write. If you finish before the end of time, read your writing and check your grammar, spelling, and punctuation. Some ideas to get you going. You might want to draw and label a picture about the topic that you've read. Write answering this question: what is the most interesting fact that you learned from this text? Why is this interesting to you? You might want to write facts that you learned about your topic. You are writing to inform others about the topic. Go ahead and open your ELA journal and begin writing.